Welcome to our July 2025 Toronto Real Estate Market Update. Today, we'll take a comprehensive look at the latest trends and statistics across different property types in the Greater Toronto Area, giving you valuable insights into the current state of the market. Let's begin with a snapshot of our key market indicators. The average sale price currently sits at $1,050,790, showing a modest decrease from last year's $1,3,216. We're seeing increased market activity with new listings up to 17,613 compared to 69,665 in 2024. Properties are taking longer to sell, with the average days on market extending to 41 days from 36 days last year. Despite this, sales volume remains healthy with 6,100 homes sold during this period. Taking a closer look at the overall market trends, we can observe that the average sale price has found stability around the $1.05 million mark. The market is showing some interesting shifts in dynamics, with properties taking 14% longer to sell compared to last year. Total sales have decreased by 5.5%, and we're seeing a slight adjustment in the sale-to-list price ratio, now at 98%, down 1% from 2024. These numbers suggest a market that's finding its balance. In the condominium sector, we're seeing some notable changes. The average sale price for condos has adjusted to $684,257, down from $748,330 in 2024. However, the market remains robust with a strong sales-to-list ratio of 97%. Properties are spending an average of 38 days on the market, up from 29 days last year. Importantly, sales volume has increased to 1,028 units, showing continued demand in this segment. Analyzing the condo market further reveals some significant shifts. The most notable change is in the selling timeline, with a 31% increase in average days on market. However, this hasn't dampened buyer interest, as evidenced by the 3.4% increase in total sales. The price trends throughout the year show remarkable stability, maintaining consistent levels despite market adjustments. Turning to semi-detached homes, this segment shows strong performance with an average price of $1.24 million, holding relatively steady from last year's $1.25 million. These properties continue to attract competitive offers, selling at 101% of list price. The market moves quickly in this segment, with properties selling in just 21 days, and we've seen a remarkable increase to 252 sales, up significantly from 121 last year. The semi-detached market trends reveal a particularly active segment, with a dramatic 48% increase in sales volume compared to 2024. While the selling period has extended slightly to 21 days, properties continue to command strong prices, maintaining a solid sale-to-list price ratio of 101%. The price trends have remained notably stable, consistently ranging between $1.2 and $1.3 million throughout the year. In the detached home segment, we're seeing an average price of $1.57 million compared to $1.65 million in 2024. These properties are performing well, selling at 101% of list price, up from 99% last year. The sales cycle remains efficient at 21 days, nearly unchanged from 2024, and we've seen a healthy increase in sales volume with 675 homes sold this period. Looking at the detailed trends for detached homes, we're seeing encouraging signs with a 12.5% increase in sales volume. The market timing has remained stable with just a 5% increase in days on market, while the sale-to-list price ratio has improved by 2%. Throughout the year, prices have maintained remarkable consistency in the $1.5 to $1.6 million range, indicating a stable and mature market segment.